You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this region in New Zealand. For more names of Kiwi places, make sure to stay tuned. For reference, in Maori, it is said as Waikato, Waikato, with the stress a bit more on the first Y syllable, Waikato. Now in English, in New Zealand, for non-Maori speakers, it's generally referred to as Waikato, with the stress on the ka syllable, Waikato. In English, Waikato in Maori. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.